It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Do you know what we're gonna try?
Bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots. These are typically put in like a stir fry. It says you just open the can and rinse them and heat them for flavor. Go ahead and give them a try. See what you think.
You gonna try one first, second half?
It smells.
I don't like bamboo shoots.
You don't like bamboo shoots?
They look like pineapple. Do you wanna try? It's really. I'm guessing it's really good.
You don't even have to guess. Give it a try.
No.
No need to guess when it's right in front of you.
It has no.
It tastes like grass jelly, but just with harder to chew.
Harder to chew?
Do you want to try?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Do you want to choose one?
No.
Choose the smallest one.
Smallest one.
Smallest one?
No.
Bark it. He won't.
I'm not with
Well, you didn't try yours either.
I did. I tried part
No,
of it.
you spit yours on the table. What's the texture like?
Bad.
It's like grass jelly. Just the
So it's
same.
just like jelly? It just
No.
mushes?
No, except for the texture is hard.
Pineapple-ish.
Oh, well that's what I'm asking. What's the texture?
Hard. Like
I
pineapple.
need
Hard like pineapple and it looks like pineapple.
a tiny one for me.
Is it sweet like pineapple?
No. What?
No.
This. The two there.
Do you want a little tiny one? There's a little tiny one.
It's just here.
So
Try it.
typically you would eat this in like a stir fry or something with other veggies
Say, Mom, I'm gonna try.
or some rice or noodles.
No.
So it may not just be great plain.
Let's put it in there.
Then you have to eat it.
No.
Give it a try, Maybe it's delicious. No?
You need.
Alright, maybe we'll save it and we'll make some stir fry.
Please don't.
And then you guys can eat it.
Please
Let's do
don't.
it.
Wait. I know what this tastes like.
That's my
What?
car. Right in Right.
So there's a restaurant you guys really like to go to, Hoo Hot Mongolian Grill.
Yeah, it's
And they have it there that you can put on your food.
what is
There, that.
what's like the cubes that we had on rice before?
Like tofu?
Yeah, it tastes like that kind of,
Does it?
but worse. A little. It has the same
Like
texture.
that.
Same texture as tofu, so it's just chewy and
No, it's.
it looks like it's kind of hard. James was having trouble eating it, but you guys are saying that it has the texture of jelly.
I know, but it tastes like jelly. It is actually hard. Tofu, you could just smash your finger through. This you can't really even make a dent
Really?
with your just one finger.
I could easily do that. Ready?
Alright, so bamboo plain is thumbs down. Alright.